Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove the block boxes and desktop icons in your Windows or computer. So if you have block boxes here in the desktop icons, in this video, I'll teach you how to fix it. So the very first step that we need to do is you need to press Windows and R key together. Again, it is Windows and R key together. And here you need to type percentage local AppData percentage. Again, it is percentage local AppData percentage. Click on OK. The moment you click on it, you will be redirected here. Here you need to proceed to view and proceed to the three dots. Sorry for that. Go with options. And then here in this folder options, proceed to view and make sure that under the advanced settings, you can see their hidden files and folders. Under that show hidden files, folders, and drives must be enabled. Then click on apply and then OK. Once done, scroll down and look for icon cache here. Definitely, you would see an icon cache here. In my case, I don't have such, but in your case, you have that. Okay, so delete that, shift to delete the icon cache, and close this window and check if if the block boxes has been removed in the desktop icons. Unless if it doesn't, then let's move on to our second method, which is at the bottom search bar. You need to type for CMD to search for command prompt. Go with run as administrator. When your user account control will ask you to say yes, just proceed to yes so that you would be redirected here in this new window. Here you need to paste a command which is sfc space /scannow, then click on enter. So this will do system scan and this process will take some time. Don't close this command prompt window and as well don't turn off your computer. So wait until the verification would be completed. Once done, paste this second command, which is this DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image check health. Paste this first. Once done, proceed to the third, which is to scan health, and proceed to the fourth, which is restore health. Okay? Make sure that you have finished all of this procedure and paste this one by one. Okay? And once done, just have to restart your computer. Okay, you need to restart your computer and check if the block box in the desktop icons has been removed. Okay, so I'm sure it will be removed. And the third option that I could recommend you, which is the last step, is you need to press Windows and R key together once again. Again, it is Windows and R key together. And here you need to paste a command, which I'll be including in the description box below, so no worries for that. Control C, Control V, and then click on OK. And the moment you've clicked on that, you would be redirected here. Here you need to Control A to select the whole and Shift to delete. So you click on yes and it will delete all the icon cache, the time cache that you have in your folders. So there would be files that would be left and that's completely fine. Just have to try to delete again if this would be removed. Okay. And now there are few left. Okay, so that's completely fine. Close this window and restart your computer and I'm sure your problem will be fixed. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.